Hello, my YouTube friends. Welcome back to my channel. So, in today's video, it's all about business ideas that are super easy to start and have fast turnovers. Now, these business ideas are perfect for people who are starting over in life with little to no education or capital. So, let's get started. One, cleaning services. Now, starting a cleaning service business requires little capital, and there is always a demand for cleaning services. You can start with basic cleaning services such as dusting, vacuuming, and cleaning bathrooms. You can then expand your business to more specialized services like carpet cleaning, window cleaning, and more. Two, personalized shopping and delivery. With the rise of online shopping, there is a growing demand for personal shopping and delivery services. You can start a business where you offer to do the shopping for people who are too busy to do it themselves. You can charge a fee for your services plus a markup on the cost of the goods. Three, pet services. Many people have pets, but not everyone has the time or energy to take care of them. So you can start a business providing pet services like dog walking, pet sitting, and grooming. This type of business requires little capital and there is always a demand for pet services. Four, freelance writing. If you have a talent for writing, you can start a business offering freelance writing services. You can offer your services to small businesses, bloggers, and website owners who need content for their websites or blogs. You can also offer copywriting services for businesses that need help with their marketing materials. Five, online tutoring. Now, with the rise of online learning, there is a growing demand for online tutors. If you have an expertise in a particular subject, you can start an online tutoring business. You can offer services to students of all ages, from elementary school to college. So, how do we go about doing these business ideas? First, determine your skills and interests. Think about your skills and interests and what you enjoy doing. This will help you choose a business that is a good fit for you. Two, research your options. Research the various business options available to you. Look at the demand for the service or product, the competition, and the capital required to start the business. Three, create a business plan. Create a business plan that outlines your goals, target market, marketing strategies, and financial projections. Four, register your business, right? Register your business with your state or local government and obtain any necessary license or permits. Five, market your business. Use social media, online advertising, and word of mouth to market your business and attract customers. So, starting a business can be challenging, and I know this, and there are some negatives to consider. You may face competition from other businesses. It may take time to build a customer base. Also, there may be some upfront costs associated with starting a business, such as purchasing equipment or marketing materials. However, starting a business can be a great way to start over in life and create a new source of income. With the right skills and knowledge, you can start a business with little to no capital and achieve success. I hope that these business ideas and step by step guide have given you some insight and has been helpful to you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more business related content and starting over. Bye bye.